Hi everyone, my name is Patrick, and I'm going to give you guys a quick video tutorial on the Tuneloot merch designer. So let's get started. Alright, first off, we're going to go up to the menu, select Store Settings, click that, and then click the designer. Now, this is the Tuneloot merch designer. This is going to have all the different merchandise that you could choose from to create. For our example, we're going to use the t-shirt. You can select your color, you can select the size, and the quantity. And if you're lacking any inspiration, go ahead and go over to the templates. And if you don't see anything in the templates, go ahead and check out the clip art. And of course, you could upload your own graphics. We've got text and shapes. And you could even draw on your merchandise if you'd want to add a signature or anything special. For our example, we're going to use our own image, so we've already uploaded our logo. So let's go ahead and place that on the t-shirt. Place it where we'd like. That looks pretty good, but I'm not really feeling the gray, so I'm going to go ahead and change the t-shirt color to black. Sweet, I think that looks good. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to go up to File, and then you could save your design to My Designs. You could save the file. And in your designs, it's going to have all your previous merch designs. Now in the print section, this is where you download the graphics. So if you want to sell the product by yourself in your Tuneloot merch store and not have it fulfilled, you could go ahead and do that. Just save the graphic and then create the product in your store settings. You can share your design. This is the help section with all the hotkeys and the shortcuts within the Tuneloot merch designer. And once you're happy with that and you want to place an order, just add it to your cart. Then go to Checkout Now. Place the order, and you're done. That's it. So, this is going to wrap up the tutorial for the Tuneloot merch designer. I hope it was really helpful for everyone. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out at support@tuneloot.com. Thanks for using Tuneloot, and I hope that you found this video helpful.